Lockdown has had a huge impact on children's lives, not least on the amount of sport and physical activity that they've been doing. Children and young people should be active for about an hour a day, but fewer than half managed that in the past year. Every primary school in England receives thousands of pounds of money, which is ring-fenced specifically for PE.
Friday happy hour looks a little different at Academy St James's. 4 years ago, this school, in the top 10% of deprived areas in Bradford, was in special measures.
Right, go on then, you push it, guys.
But since staff focused more on PE, things have changed.
Our attainment's gone up from 27% to 64% combined in 2 years. We believe that investing in pupils in terms of their social and emotional well-being is paramount to make sure these children continue to learn. For us, it makes absolute sense.
They've used annual ring-fenced government cash well, but 1 in 3 children leaves primary school with obesity. It seems good PE experience is a lottery. Schools Minister Nick Gibb told us supporting children and young people's physical health and well-being is a priority for this government, which is why we launched our ambitious school sport and activity action plan. Schools must publish their PE and sport premium plans online and are held to account by Ofsted on the extracurricular activities they offer pupils. The pandemic has hit schools hard, but PE is being sidelined in some areas when arguably it's needed more.
We need to stop this conversation that disconnects health from academic performance. If we focus on bringing children into schools to sit them down, to catch them up on maths and English, we are going to increase the inequality gap.